Go to the Workflows page. Click on Plus Job button. Choose the correct type of form. First, let's add the information about the client. We can find an existing client by name, email address, or phone number, or we can add a new client. To add a new client, click on the plus sign. Now, add the name, phone number, address, which is especially important for field services. You will be able to check this address on the map from the mobile app later, and any additional information that you need to keep in the history. Click on Save. In the next section, let's add details about the job. Depending on the template you chose during the registration, you can have different directories imported in the system, which you can also add it up to your needs. Scheduled for field, here we can set the appointment time. In additional info section, we have manager notes, estimated price, we can check this order as urgent, prepayment if we take deposits, and we can add employees, responsible manager and technician. Here we can set automatic notifications additionally. For example, when a technician is assigned to the job, they will get a notification in their mobile app. Or when the status of the job is changed to done, the manager will be notified too. While creating the job, you attach files, for example PDFs, create tasks for your employees, and print documents if you'd like to print, for example, the job ticket. We click on Create Job. The job is created, the document will be printed. Also, in the left corner, you have the QR code of the job, which your employee can use to open the job from the mobile app. Please note, we have different views for jobs. Choose the one that you prefer. There is the board view to drag and drop your jobs, select needed status, and also group jobs into responsible employees or to see those that are unassigned. Then we have the list view with a separate filter for urgent, incomplete, overdue jobs. And the calendar view. In a calendar, your manager can control how busy your specialists are, where they have the free time for the job, and also see if your resources are available if you have such. Additionally, please note that you can create jobs from few different places in the system, from the Workflows page, from the customer's profile. Also, you can add jobs from Leads page or from chats if you communicate with clients through WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram.